मजलिसी फ्लो लीडर अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने आज मंगल को असेंबली बजट सेशन के दौरान बात करते हुए कहा, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, बैतुल खला, पंखे, लाइट्स जैसी बुनियादी सहूलतें नहीं है। जबकि उन्होंने गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में स्कूली बेंचेस व दीगर फर्नीचर स्कैम का भी दावा किया। मजलिसी फ्लो लीडर ने इस मसले को संगीनी से लेने का हुकूमत पर जोर दिया और तालीमी शोबे में ऐसी हरकत को नज़रअंदाज ना करने का हुकूमत पर जोर दिया। अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी के असेंबली में उठाए गए मसाइल पर रियासती वजीर श्रीधर बाबू ने जवाब देते हुए कहा, जब हुकूमत दूसरी थी, अब हमारी हुकूमत में इन बातों पर पूरी तवज्जो दी जाएगी।
Purchase of benches, sir. Very big scam, sir. Sir, I have put a question, sir, but unfortunately question hour आ रहा ही नहीं. Question hour आ रहा ही नहीं, sir. Question ले रहे ही नहीं हम, तो नहीं हो रहा है, sir. Sir, एक bench. Sir, I run school, sir. I run school, sir, where I'm providing a free education to 25,000, sir, and free coaching, this, 10th free, intermediate free coaching, engineering tuition free, and NATA, NEET and all, again 30,000, some 50,000 students are studying free in my school, 10 schools. Sir, I know, sir. एक bench कितने में लेते हैं? I know, sir. Sir, but sir, जो हमारे state government में दिए, sir, 14,000, 18,000, 20,000 में one bench, sir. वो भी छोटा वाला, yes, madam, बहुत बड़ा scam है. You should inquire in that. अब मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाह रहा हूं, सर. नेक्स्ट मैं थोड़ा बाद में क्लैरिफिकेशन में बताऊंगा पूरी चीजें, बिकॉज यू नो अगेन सर वो पूरा जाएगा तो बहुत टाइम जाएगा. सर, बहुत बड़ा स्कैम है, सर. You talk about Kaleshwaram, you talk about irrigation, you talk about this scam, that scam. Look into this scam, sir, कि how they have looted. एक आदमी उठाया है, एक लाख सर, 16 lakhs या कुछ 32 lakhs कुछ बेंचेस लिए सर. तो आप अंदाजा लगा लिए 14,000, 15,000 सर, 4,000, 5,000 में एक बेंच आती सर. उसको 18,000, 14,000 में दिए. मैं डिटेल देता हूं. इट्स अ वेरी बिग स्कैम सर, वेरी बिग स्कैम. मगर वो जो आदमी जो करा है ना सर, पहले इनके साथ था, अब आपके करीब है. जी हाँ, आपके करीब है. नहीं, मैं बोलता हूं, मैं देखिए मेरी आदत नहीं है, वो हाउस में नहीं है, मैं नहीं बोलना है, मैं आपको तफसील देता हूं, सारे चीजें बोलता हूं. तो ये दिस इज वेरी बैड सर, कि गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में टॉयलेट नहीं है, बच्चियों को पढ़ने के लिए पंखे नहीं है, बेंच नहीं है, लाइट नहीं है, मगर लूटने वाले लूट रहे हैं और खाने वाले खा रहे हैं और हम खामोश बैठे हुए हैं. सर, आई एम गोइंग टू I'll later in my speech, sir, I'll give the details of that also, sir. सर, चुनना नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है सर स्कूल में. क्यों गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स को आप खराब करते हैं सर? क्यों गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स को नेग्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं? क्यों गरीब के बच्चे को पढ़ने के लिए गवर्नमेंट स्कूल नहीं देते हैं सर? फॉर एनी प्रोग्रेसिव nation and any nation who's dreaming to be a superpower for tomorrow needs to focus on the future of our generation, sir. Education and health should be the main focus, sir. But unfortunately, we are losing the focus on education, sir. This is very bad, sir. Education को अगर करेंगे, we talk about building the nation, we talk about being the superpower. We cannot build the nation, we cannot be superpower unless and until we focus on education and health, sir. It's very important, sir. एक गरीब तड़पता है, sir. Sir, I see, sir, a divorced mother, a divorced lady having 2 children, you know, come to me and say, अकबर साहब, हमारे बच्चे को आपके स्कूल में दे दो दाखिला, आपके स्कूल में दाखिला दे दो. मेरा हस्बैंड छोड़ दिया है, हमारा बच्चा पढ़ लेगा. Sir, government schools, why they do not want to get the child admitted in the government schools is the question mark, sir. Why, sir? Why can't we strengthen the government schools? It is very sad, sir. So the finance minister has said in budget speech in para 46, highlighting that the Telangana has 1,023 government residential school, 62 lakh their own buildings, sir. Sir, we are operating in minimum facilities, sir. Government has allocated 11,600 crores for Young India Residential School for setting up, sir. मैं ये बोलूंगा सर, आप ये पैसों में एग्जिस्टिंग स्कूल्स को इंप्रूव करिए सर. अब मैं ये बात कराना सर, मिनिस्टर साहब उठ के जवाब देंगे, अकबर साहब, we are coming with integrated campus, 200 crores we are spending, it will be a wonderful campus. It will be a wonderful campus. It will be. I'm not denying it. Yes, it will be. But sir, there is a difference. Will. I have to wait till then. What I am saying, you take up that also and please concentrate on the existing schools also. This is what I am saying, sir. हो रहा ये सर, हो रहा ये सर के वो स्कूल्स पे तवज्जो नहीं दे रहे सर, उसकी वजह से लाइक सर I had sir देखिए सर, yesterday also I thank the honorable minister, my learned friend, who's very dear to me and I am also very dear to him and he gives answers to me sir. सर कल आए आंसर्स, सब कुछ आए सर, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है सर कि हर एक इशू को जो हम रेस करते हैं उसके आंसर्स आ जाए. The reason is that, sir, why I take time is that at least I should, fulfill my responsibility as a public representative of bringing the important issues to the notice of the government. And it is the prerogative of the government to, find whatever is reasonable, what is right and what is needed to be addressed, they will address. Sir, isme Young India Skill University ke liye, sir, if you remember, sir, my learned friend had given me a reply, sir, when I said, sir, मेरे schools हैं, मेरे buildings हैं, old city में भी करेंगे, अब तक कुछ नहीं हुआ भाई. Sir, we have to do something, sir, old city में, sir.
Sir, I can see the frustration. Basically, he keeps on posing the question and he has posed the questions before the last regime, sir. My point is, this regime is different. It is a very proactive government, which will take all your productive suggestions into a right way and will make it happen. We are only 14 months old government, Adhyaksha, and we would like to perform. No, after Telangana state has been formed, sir. Yes, sir, I am not disputing that. I am not disputing what my learned friend Mr. Akbar Saab told. After Telangana has been formed, this is the first opportunity we got as a Congress government, sir. So, that time some injustice has been done. That's the real reason we are here today in a separate statehood. I mean to say, sir, whatever you have mentioned, whatever the, good suggestions or positive suggestions you have been giving, we will take it in open heart. Not only Akbar Saab ka, or TRS, Hamara Mitra bhi, or BJP. Anybody who gives the positive suggestions, sir, we are broad-minded, Adhyaksha. We are with open mind. We would like to take it, and two other things what we would like to say. Just a month back or 1.5 months, when we here made a suggestion of this skill university to open a centers in their own schools. And we have put this option before our Vice Chancellor of that university, Adhyaksha. We are just trying to build that university. We will come back to you. We will take their services.
Welcome to Hidayah Islamic International School, where education meets excellence. A world-class learning environment designed to inspire young minds. Every morning begins with warmth, respect and a welcoming atmosphere. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms foster creativity and interactive learning. Experienced teachers engage students, encouraging curiosity and active participation. Hands-on experiment in our modern science labs brings learning to life. Technology-driven education ensures students are future-ready. A well-stocked library nurtures a love for reading and knowledge. With strong Islamic values, we guide students in Quranic learning and character building. Beyond academics, we promote fitness, teamwork, and discipline through sports. Join Hidayah Islamic International School at Mehdipatnam, Santosh Nagar, Bahadurpura, Sun City, Toli Chowki, and Aramghar. Your child's bright future begins here.